Hello everyone, we welcome you on OS and today we are having this fun video of blackshark 2 helo from Xiaomi, and it is the beast of any phone. You can get the gaming mode with this phone in the best and beast mode with the 10 GB RAM and Snapdragon 845. So this one is the finest phone ever developed from Xiaomi for gaming, and it comes with the two controllers, and in the box we can see the one controller comes with the free and the second one we have to purchase from company. So you can get the best of these options with the Black Shark, and the PUBG gaming is very smooth in this. We have a very good gaming experience in this phone, and we have created a video about that. We will upload soon with the newest feature, so you can get that video in our channel. Just check out what's new. The unboxing and the trailer video are included in this video, so have fun everyone. Thanks for watching our video. Okay, the phone comes with the USB Type-C charger and a game controller and a cover. That cover supports the USB control, so you can get the RGB control with the cover, and M controller can control with the cover. So you just have to attach the cover for controlling your games through the game controller. The phone comes with the latest software optimization, so you can get the gesture support in this, and you can get Android 9 support from Xiaomi. So you will have a definitely best gaming experience yet on any phone with the Xiaomi Shark 2 Hello. The phone comes with the 10 GB RAM and a Snapdragon chipset support, and the storage options are vary from other states, so you can get the best of storage from gaming devices in the Shark to Hello. Thanks for watching our channel, and you can get the best of content with the newest video uploads on our channel. So please subscribe and comment and like. Have fun.